The Volkswagen Golf TDI on a 15.6 plate. Performance: power 103 brake horsepower, top speed 116 mph, 0 to 60 in 10.9 seconds, miles per tank 641, and fuel capacity 55 litres. Now, to locate the onboard diagnostic connector, what we're going to use is a device here. Right, that's it. Select diagnose. The OBD, select that one. Then it's going to go through the ECU via the system. Right. Okay, roll on. Confirm. I'm just going to read the code first. Exhaust gas detected. Okay. Right, so if you just escape that and then just erase the codes and just OK it again, and it's cleared. The best process now to disconnect everything, return the engine off, and then now you can remove the connector.
Is it raw?
The connector fixed it. So next we'll locate the fuses and the relays. Just pop the bonnet. So locate the fuses. It's all covered up by a box. So just lift that up. Will come up.